Can you guys say welcome to Milgat Farms?
Welcome to Milgat Farms.
Yeah, what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna move a chicken tractor.
We're gonna what?
We're gonna move a chicken tractor.
No, you're going to move a chicken tractor. Come on.
Let's go get it.
That's a chicken tractor right there. We got to get it over into our yard so we can put chickens in it. No, no, no. Don't grab it yet. If you lift it up, it's not going to work. Watch. Now that'll work. Now, that's not how that works. Are you guys? You got to lift it up. Take it over to the house. Oh, this is awesome. Why? Because the video's about you, not me.
Yes, it is.
You're a farming kid. Let's go. Chop, chop.
Oh, you want to see something?
Yeah, I do. Keep going. Keep going.
This might take a while.
All right. All right, hold on.
You need
Here we go. Lift up. Come on, Isabel, pick it up. Oh, that's so much easier, isn't it?
What?
It's easier when you do it. In some respects, I want them to grow up, but most of the time, I don't. I love them being kids. Hi, Miss Swecker. That's our mail lady. And there's a project for another day. That's a lot easier. All right, hold on. You know what we should do? We should start at the top versus the bottom. Let's take it up to the top. Watch your face. Come on. Oh, I got my own shoes. Come on. I need your help.
You're trying.
Come on. You're not helping.
I don't care.
Huh?
I have to turn it
I am. Hold on.
Dad, we're too close to the barn.
Watch out, buddy.
You're gonna hit the barn. You're welcome.
Over to the barn. Now, that whole gate, listen. That whole thing can come all the way up. Pull it up. You're doing good. There you go. All right, hold on, buddy. Don't throw them hard. Just set them in there nice and easy. Come on. No.
That boy keeps saying that. And one of them just pooped.
That is a lot of poop. Okay, we need a bunch more.
One of them tried to get me. Look at that here.
That's fine, leave it alone. Oops, there we go. That's probably enough. Let's go.
That's one thing.
Slow, keep slow, keep slow. Let's do this. Let me put it down. You gotta watch out for the birds coming in, Isabel. Oh, good tech. Shut the doors, Isabel. Shut the door. Okay, here we go.
I go.
Can you? Try to hold it on your brother and the chicken. Here we go.
Dad's driving. Well, guy just likes to jump, doesn't he?
Thanks, Gabe.
Gabe, help me.
Whoa. Watch out, that's very sharp. The cow messed up with the kid. Go around the other side, come on.
Dad, put this camera on the middle first.
1, 2, 3,
Why not just dump the tub?
4, 5, 6.
Three, 24, 25.
We got 25 birds in there? All right, come on. Let's go back and get some more.
And there's poop in there.
There's a lot of poop in there, yeah.
It was so clean, then it got pooped.
Yeah. We need to be loud, Gabriel. We're working with the chickens. We need to not be loud. We're going to try this method out. That way you don't have as much to hold, okay? Let's go. I'm good. Hop on in, Gabe. Start counting.
I knew 25 at 25 or 50.
We'll just do, yeah, 1.
Ow! 2, 3, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
29? That's cool, buddy. Don't throw them too hard. We got a bunch more to go
I
get.
have a face.
Yeah. Okay, let's go get some more. Come on. Got 'em up.
25.
And 29,
Yeah.
54,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Dozen. Where's it going? Ow. Oh.
That hurt? Okay, let me see. Let me see. You're okay, buddy. You didn't hurt too bad.
It's right next to my eye.
Well, yeah, it's okay. Sometimes that's gonna happen. Come on, big hug. Give me a big hug. Big hug. You're okay? You're okay, buddy. Okay, let's not do that again. You smell like chickens. Let's get these guys out of here. So how many do we have here?
A dozen.
Okay. So 12 plus 54 is how many? Back your head up, buddy. 12 plus 54 is 66.
What?
Well, that's not bad. Okay, we gotta get some water for them. Keep going, gotta be full. A little bit more. That's good. We got a little bit left over. Good. So we take that, just bang it on the ground. We set it on top like this. And that's it. You have to turn it over. We gotta go very quickly, like quick. There we go. Now we just take this guy and set it inside like. Come here, Gabe. Hold on, buddy. Watch out there, chicks. Okay. Like that one over there is already chewing on something. She's picking a couple of rocks up. Oh, we'll get some food for him a little bit.
They're like fighting.
Some are eating and some are fighting. She's chewing on grass. Hold on, let me put the camera in. We can watch them. Watch out. They're eating grass.
Cannot get under there.
I think they could if they wanted to.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Well, be sure to keep them on flat ground. How many birds? Hold on, buddy. How many birds do we have in there?
66.
66 birds. What kind of birds are they? Do you know?
Meat chickens.
Well, they're meat chickens, but they're a special type of meat chicken. It's called Freedom Rangers. These are called non-GMO Freedom Rangers. And that's what we're raising this year. Now we have more down at the barn. They're in the brooder. And we have two more sets coming. So we have one more set of meat chickens coming, and then our turkeys are going to get here.
That means we have 66 more.
No, we're going to have about 150 total.
Back!
They're poking down there, aren't they? Right up here. Can you look right here for me? Look right into this spot. Not here, there. Go, let go. Put your hand down. These birds are going to stay in this enclosure for probably about 2 to 3 weeks. We're going to move it once a day for the first 2 weeks. And then after that, if we keep them in here, we're going to move it twice a day. We do have other enclosures or chicken tractors that we're going to use or can use. We may not use them for these birds. We just got to wait and see. I think they're going to do okay. What do you guys think? All right, what else are we going to say? Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Do consider giving us a thumbs up. And until next time.
God bless you guys.
Nobody can see your face. I got to see your face. Let's do it again. Thank you for watching our videos. Do consider giving us a
thumbs up.
And until next time.
God bless you guys.
That's right. Why aren't you looking in the camera? Is it too sunny?
Yeah.
It is sunny. All right, let's go do something else on the farm.
That one's holding on 1 foot.
It's a stork. It's a stork chicken.